In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add Klarna code to Shopify. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily set up Klarna on your Shopify store. To do this, you will have to visit your admin dashboard, and once you are inside of the admin page, you have to go over to the settings. So, using this menu at the left side of the screen, choose Settings. In here, switch over to the Payments menu. So when you go over to payments, and you will be able to find additional payment methods. This is where you can set up Klarna and properly input the code. So go over to add payment method, and now you can either search for by payment method or search by provider. Choose whichever option you prefer. I recommend payment method. So once you look for Klarna on the list of results, make sure that you select Klarna, and you can ignore most of these options here. Just make sure that you go ahead and you select the first one, which should be the official Klarna application. Once it is ready, you will have to activate it. So as you can see here, I am yet to go through with the activation process, so I'm gonna uninstall it to demonstrate how this would look like if you have never installed Klarna to begin with. When you go over to add payment method and you look for Klarna, you will be able to once again find it under the list of payment methods available, and then start the process of activating it. Now, once you are done with the installation process by giving it permissions, you will be able to set it up on your store. So just go over to install if you want to give it permissions to view the store data and sign in with your account. You don't have to manage any codes as long as you sign into your Klarna account using this page. It is going to appear under the payment methods that you have available. So you can go over to manage at any time and choose the options related to Klarna. But all that you have to do, like I said, is sign in with your Klarna account, and it is going to appear right underneath here. Afterwards, you will be able to enable or disable payment methods accordingly. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Klarna code to Shopify. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.